Here we have skill number 97, and skill number 97 is to develop a formula for a complex perimeter. So let's put in a shape here, and it'd be nice if I had a ruler. However, I wonder if a ruler would work on this. Let me try it. Yeah, I think it will. Okay, good. So let's just draw a complex shape. Actually not too complex. Alright, so let's ignore that bit there. Now we've got, let's put some measurements along here. So let's call that length 15. Let's call this side, say, x. And this side are both the same length, so that's x. And let's call this length over here, say, 20. And that should do. So we've got enough. And so what I'll do is just put in a few here little 90-degree angles so that we know this is supposed to be a 90-degree object. Now, we're after looking at the perimeter. So what we do is just add up the sides as we go. Now, I'm going to start at this point here and work our way around the perimeter. So the perimeter, a formula for complex perimeter. So perimeter equals, I'm going to say 15 for the first side, then x for this side here, then x for this side here. This side here is a little bit difficult, but if you see over here we've got 20. Now over here we've got two sides, and both of those sides add up to 20. So if this is x, then this part here is x out of 20. So we call that 20 take away x. So I'm going to now add a side which is 20 minus x. Carry on. Now this side here, this part here was the same as 15 on the opposite side of the rectangle, or the shape, sorry. And this side here will be x, which is the same as this x along here. So that x and that x are the same length. So I'm going to now add x plus 15. And finally, the last side, which is 20. And we've worked all the way around back to this point here. So we've come back. Now we simply add these together. So I'm going to go back to blue. And so 15 plus 20 is 35, plus 15 plus 20, altogether that's 70. And we've got an x plus x, take away an x, plus x. So we simply end up with 15 plus x plus 20 minus x. That's all right. And so we've got that x will cancel, so we've got plus 2x. Is that right? And there we have our final result. 15 plus 20 plus 15 plus 20 is 70. Yes. X plus x minus x plus x is 2x. So our end result is a formula for a complex perimeter. And that is what we're looking at when you have to develop a formula. Do we have time for one more? Let's put one in and see if you can work it out, and then put the answer. Oh, let's put that back. This time we'll come in here. I'll come down here. I'll come over here. I'll come back down here. and let's say that is what we're looking at. Okay, so here is a complex shape. Let's put some values to it. This time let's call this, say, 13. No, yeah, that's fine. Let's call this A. This bit here is A, and let's let that side equal that side, but let's make this, say, this side 5, and let's say this side is, say, 16. And in here, let's put this side is 8. Now all of these must be 90 degrees for this to work. So let's say that's 90 degrees, that's 90 degrees, that's 90 degrees. Right, what is the perimeter of this shape? Good luck. Well, let's see how you answer that. I'm just going to change the color. I'm going to again start in this position here, work my way around. Now this side here is 16 because it's the same as the opposite side. So I'm going to write that equals 16 plus this side is A plus this side is 8 plus this side is A again because this dash and this dash means they're the same length. So that's another A. This side is the same as 8. This side we're told is 5. Then we've got a 16. And we've got a 13. Not so bad. Let's see how we went. We add the numbers together. 16 plus 8 is 32. Plus 16 is 48. Plus 13 is 58, 61. Is that right? And we've got A plus A makes 2A. And there we have our perimeter. Double check. 32, 48, 58, 61. Yeah, 2A's. All right, so we've got 61 plus 2A. So I hope this has helped you with the skill of finding the formula for a complex perimeter. And until I talk to you again, stay happy.